What are confusion and diffusion in cryptography? In this video, we will try to understand that. If we want a cipher to operate securely, then it should follow two properties, confusion and diffusion. Let's say we are encrypting a plaintext message with the help of a secret key and generating the cipher text. The confusion property ensures that every bit of the cipher text depends on several parts of the key. In other words, if we change a single bit of the secret key, several bits of the cipher text will change. And hence, the confusion property hides the relationship between the cipher text and the secret key. The diffusion property, on the other hand, hides the statistical relationship between the plaintext and the cipher text. It ensures that if we change a single bit in the plaintext, several ciphertext bits will change. In a substitution permutation network, we use substitution and permutation boxes. The substitution boxes take m-bit input and transform the input into n-bit output, and the permutation boxes take the outputs of substitution boxes of one round and permute the bits and then feed the permutated bits to the substitution boxes of the next round. In other words, permutation boxes distribute the outputs of S boxes of one round to inputs of several S boxes of the next round. The substitution boxes here provide confusion and the permutation boxes provide diffusion. The confusion and diffusion properties were first identified by Claude Shannon in 1945. These two properties make cryptanalysis difficult for cryptanalysts. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the book Cryptography and Public Key Infrastructure. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.